Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amen. My dear all of people at the Bangladesh, I hope you are all of people must be happy at this situation. My God, Bangla, I love you. I am a general activities of Bangladesh Awami League, but I was forced to say very hard. I am a general activist, but I do not want the politics of any family and relatives in the politics of Bangladesh. The only Sheikh family politics is starting to lead the Awami League today because of Bangladesh politics. No more relatives